Hi, I'm Cody Wenner, and I chose the Hubble Space Telescope, named for Edwin Powell Hubble, who was a great pioneer of astronomy. NASA originally launched the Hubble Space Telescope on April 24th, 1990, and it was deployed into orbit around Earth on April 25th. NASA's original goal was to learn more about the universe, and the telescope has done that and much more. The original cost of the launch was about $1.5 billion, but with upgrades and improvements, it now costs about $10 billion. There was also an initial problem when Hubble was launched. The cameras did not work properly, so just a few months after the launch, NASA was forced to go up and fix the issue. The dimensions are at 43 feet by 14 feet, 24,500 pounds, and it uses about 3,000 watts of energy in an average orbit. As you can see by the picture, it is about the same size of a large school bus. Here are a list of the current instruments on the Hubble Space Telescope. The ACS is a camera used to find galaxies and measure weather patterns. The WFC3 is similar and it uses UV light, visible light, and infrared light. The COS studies large-scale structure of universe and formation and evolution of galaxies, stars, and planets. The STIS measures temperature, radial velocity, rotational velocity, and magnetic fields. The NICMOS observes stars that would otherwise be blocked by nebulae, and the FGS provides pointing info and info on astrometry, which is the position and motion of stars. This is a description of how it works. The telescope orbits Earth every 97 minutes. It captures the light from the universe and directs it into the instruments. It then sends the information down to the Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland. Goddard then sends the info to the Space Telescope Science Institute, and they translate the info and keeps Hubble operating safely. Here are a list of some of the major findings of the telescope. Dark energy was discovered in 1998. It is energy that drives the expansion of the universe. Hubble measured light emitted by supernova to find it. They found that the expansion of the universe is actually speeding up rather than slowing down, which was previously thought. It took pictures of the deep field in 1995. It revealed about 3,000 galaxies, some as old as 10 billion years. They found that the galaxies were actually smaller and much different than our galaxy. The Hubble constant helps determine age, size, and fate of a universe. They found that by measuring distances to 18 galaxies, and they also found that our universe is 12 to 14 billion years old, and other things have been done to support that fact. They also took pictures of black holes in 1994, discovered great evidence of supermassive black holes, which are millions and billions times larger than our sun and absorb any material in the area. In 1997, Hubble was able to determine supermassive black holes are common in large galaxies, and they found that the size of a galaxy determines the mass of the black hole. Among these discoveries, Hubble also has taken thousands of pictures of planets and other space matter in other galaxies, and they can use that to compare to our galaxy. NASA plans to keep Hubble in orbit until about 2030. They're unsure if it will last that long or not because it is going to slowly deteriorate over time, and they expect to eventually send a robotic mission to help deorbit Hubble so it doesn't just crash to the ground. Hubble is definitely just a great piece of technology, and NASA has benefited greatly from it. Here are a list of my sources, and that is everything. Thank you.